1S Xiaomi Redmi 1S in my hands. This is one of the recent entry in the Indian market at such a remarkable price, that is price of 6,000, and had a very good hardwares at such a price which are available at the really big prices in above the 20,000 rupees. So this is only available on the flash sale through the Flipkart. Those who are not able to get, really feeling for sorry for them, but it is one of the grounds you should bag it for on the Flipkart. Try the next sale. Better luck for next time. Today we are looking for the major causes, the major problems which are in this problem. Yeah, this is one of the good phone, but it also had the problems. It is the problem that it gets the apps get crashes. The memory management is poor. So various app, that is camera app, when you open the camera and try to record or capture photos, so sometimes they might get crash. And when you try to music player and the camera apps together, so the music app will stop. So this is really a bit of suffering for the multitasking persons. So there is a solution for this also. And now the browser, it has also a very good browser, but the is also gets crashes in the middle while you're surfing. You open the 4 5 tabs, more than 4 5 tabs, it may get crash. So this is a problem due to the low memory in this phone. The memory is 1 GB, but it is the memory management which is very poor in this phone. So it might be upgraded later on, but there is update available which will I will post in the link below, and you can download and update it, that post. So now the problem is this: the solution for that, temporary solution for that memory management can be, I will show you that. You have to switch off the phone, like this is power button over here. You have to press it for 2-3 seconds, and now it will show the options for various, the power off, reboot, earphone, and silent mode. So you have to power off your phone, so it will take some time to show. And this is the volume rockers over here. You have to press the power button and the upper volume button to open your phone into the boot menu. So you have to press it simultaneously. So now this is the boot mode, and enter the boot mode. This is, you can see that this is the boot mode. The options are in Chinese and English. You have to go to English. You have to navigate this menu through the upper and these buttons, and when you want to press OK, you have to press the power button. So I will show you that you can click in the lower menu, and you will see that this is moving down, and now it is OK for confirm. So now it is it. Now you have the get the main menu, and you have to reset. So this is the option available for the reset. You have to move down to the reset, wipe and reset. So now you can see there are the various option: wipe cache, wipe user data, wipe all data, back to the main menu. Don't for the menu below. You have to just press power button over here. You have to wipe the cache, and after that your phone will have no such problems of app crashes. So now I'll press OK, and it's asking for yes or no. Press down, and yes. So it is taking some time. Yeah, it is very fast. Okay, then press back, and now power off or reboot your phone. Reboot to the system. So now it will reboot your phone. So it take a little bit long.